Hey guys! So today I'm gonna do a review on a ring that I bought from Etsy. It's a mermaid ring. And I did my nails for this, just for this. It already grew a little bit, but I just wanted to look, you know, like extra cute. So, the package is really cute. It's like a hologram kind of vibe. Thank you for supporting my small business. So let's open it. Ooh, why is it so dirty? Oh, wow, it's really hard to open. Okay. Wow. Ooh. Sounded like ASMR video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload this on my ASMR channel or just my main channel. My ASMR is my main channel. Glow in the dark jewelry. Oh, that's why they use this kind of package. But guys, I didn't order the glow in the dark. The reason why I got so much into this ring was because it was glow in the dark, but I think it might look a little childish. So let's see. Wow, so cute. Look at it. This one was so, it looks kind of big. It's really big. But all I have to do is just make it smaller for my... Wow, I think I lost weight. I forgot to measure my finger size. I think I could have ordered a little bit smaller. But you guys, look. It's so cute. And the reason why I ordered this, particularly this one, was because the other ones looked really cheap, which was actually cheap. But there's a reason why this one is so pricey. Because look how delicate the mermaid looks. Does it focus? Do I have to show you in a different... So pretty. And I thought glow in the dark is better for wearing it daily. I actually wanted every side of the ring to have scales on it, but she said that it'll make it more pricier. So I just left it. I like it. Look, the tail looks different compared to other mermaid rings. And look at her hair, face, and how elegant her arms look. I really like it. The other ones looked really tacky and too thick. It couldn't like emphasize the elegance of a mermaid. So yeah, I wanted to put it on all of my fingers because these two and these two have the similar size. Ooh. I can do here, here, and also probably here. The thing that I like about adjustable rings is that, ow, it is adjustable. I also wanted to try here because I saw a review of someone putting the ring on here. I think it might be a little bit too big on here, and I don't want it to look, you know, like I couldn't decide whether I should buy a ring that's this size and then I'll make it bigger and then put on here or here, or get a ring that's the size of these two fingers and then just make it smaller for this finger. But I thought it was better for the ring to be a little bit more bigger than being smaller, because it's gonna look ugly when it's like too big. For example, it's gonna look like this, right? And I thought it was better for the mermaid to be more visible, like you can see the mermaid more, and that will be more prettier. And let's try to adjust it for this finger. See, it looks okay. I think it's kind of too much, but I mean, I can make rings, so if I just wanted to put on specifically this finger, then I can fix it. But actually, I like it being everywhere, since if I'm gonna get married, I'm gonna have my engagement ring here, so maybe it's a better choice for me to put this here. And I actually like the look of having my ring here because I can see her better. And I like it here too. The size is a little bit bigger than I expected, but that's okay. It looks better when it's bigger than smaller. And that is my boyfriend. So yeah, this is it. And bye-bye.